So this time I do want to give you a little intro to Blackboard. So if you're new to it, this is kind of how I do it. So one of the first things you do is you have to find this My Path. My Path, a lot of times you can just Google OCTC My Path and click on that link and it should give you I think it actually says OCC. It actually says My Path KCTS, I think, but regardless, if you get to this spot here, you're in a good shape. To check your email, you click here for email. And again, it's also good to have that on your phone to check your email with your phone as well. So there is an app for for I think it's KCTS that you can download and check your email through there as well. It's a good idea to check your email daily. For this purposes, mainly what I want to look at is getting into the Blackboard shell, which is this Blackboard Learn icon. Again, your screen may look different depending on how your settings are. So when I get to this screen, this is my Blackboard. About the only thing I use over here is courses. So I just click on courses and this takes me to my courses. So this is my spring 2026 course load. So for you, you're going to be looking at Math 141, Liberal Arts. We'll click on that. So this should be the student preview of your course. So the main thing here is you'll do the Let's Get Started folder, and that'll give you the syllabus and an introduction from me. So that will be the first thing you'll click on. Downloads, you can click on that and see if there's anything that your computer may be missing. It may be able to fix some things there. When I clicked on my computer, there really wasn't anything there for me to do, so I just left it alone. Math 141, this here has the textbook, the coursework, and your gradebook. So this is going to be a really important folder for you is the textbook, the coursework, and the gradebook. You do not have to buy a textbook for this course. There is an electronic textbook that we use, so don't worry about buying an actual textbook. Just use the what we call the ebook textbook if you like. Uh, Also, what I have is Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. So this course is broken up into 4 units. And in each unit is going to be my resources. So if you open up Unit 1, it'll get you into the resources for the first, basically the first 4 weeks. Unit 2 will be the resources for the next 4 weeks. Unit 3, and then Unit 4. So notice how, since we have 4 units, we're going to have 4 exams. So again, this is where you're going to find my resources to help you learn how to do it. So a lot of my resources are in the form of videos. You're more than welcome to read the textbook, but again, I encourage you to watch my videos. Also, embedded in my videos are some extra assignments that you will be required to do. So you have to watch out for that because some of the assignments are actually embedded in my videos. So it is important that you do watch the videos uh, for this course. Be sure to check your announcements weekly and also the discussion board. There's going to be some assignments inside the discussion board. So up here, announcements and the discussions, those are only 2 links I use up here at the top. I do not use this gradebook up here, so please ignore this gradebook. You may see stuff in there, but it's not up to date. Some things don't carry over. So if you want an up-to-date grade, you want to come down here and click on this link for your actual gradebook. So your advisors can use this gradebook to get an idea of how you're doing, but it doesn't give you the full picture. This gradebook here gives you the full picture because these two just don't sync up perfectly for me. So anyway, I apologize for that, but so your textbook, you're gonna be able to find your assignments here, and your gradebook is all gonna be located under this folder here. Okay. So for you all, that's pretty much how it is You start here and go through the materials here. Look at your textbook coursework, make sure you can get into those things. And then Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, these are going to have all the resources that you need to complete the course. So I'll stop there. And if you have any questions, again, you can email me or text me. Take care.